Hi! In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now click on Device Options. Following that, you need to choose Keyboard and Language. Select Current Keyboard Settings over here and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see now, my switcher is gray. That means that autocorrection is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!